Hi, this video is to demonstrate how to advance your Prosomnus PH. So this appliance where it has the arms on the side and the thin clear upper and lower, that's called a Prosomnus PH. On each side there is a bolt right there and you have a wrench. There are arrows on the bar. You probably cannot see it in this video, but there is an arrow, and that arrow points up on one side and down on the other side. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your wrench and you're going to go in the direction of the arrow to advance the jaw forward. That's called titrating. So this one has the arrow going up on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on that bolt, just like a regular nut and bolt kind of wrench situation here. You're going to put that on there and you're going to go from the bottom to the top. That's considered one turn. Okay? You need to make sure you do it even on both sides. So now you're going to go the other side. The other side, the arrow goes down. So you're going to start here. You're going to grab that. You're going to go from the top and you're going to go all the way down. That's considered one turn. The big thing about these appliances, you need to make sure you keep them even on both sides. So there's a little space right here. That space opens up as you turn it. You need to make sure that space is the same on both sides. Right there. Do you see that? So make sure that that space stays the same. This also has a little millimeter tick marks on it right there on the end, and you can use that to make sure that it's the same as well in case you start to get too far open. But that is how you advance your Prosomnus PH. Remember, if you ever make an adjustment on this, to be sure and put it on your titration form. Have a great day.